Introduction. Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on the scope of law in Pakistan. In this video, we will be discussing the various aspects of law in Pakistan and its impact on society. Pakistan has a rich history of law and jurisprudence, and it is important to understand the scope and extent of law in Pakistan. Part 1, Introduction to Law in Pakistan. The Constitution of Pakistan is the supreme law of the country, and all other laws must be in line with its provisions. The legal system in Pakistan is based on the British common law system, with Islamic law also having a significant influence. The judiciary in Pakistan is independent and is responsible for interpreting and enforcing the law. Part 2, Sources of Law in Pakistan. There are several sources of law in Pakistan, including the Constitution of Pakistan, Islamic law or Sharia, statutory laws passed by the National Assembly and Provincial Assemblies, common law principles and case law, international law and treaties. Part 3, the Pakistani judicial system. The Pakistani judicial system is made up of several tiers, with the Supreme Court being the highest court in the country. The lower courts include district courts, high courts, and the Supreme Court. The judiciary in Pakistan is independent and has the power to interpret and enforce the law. Part 4, Criminal law in Pakistan. Criminal law in Pakistan is governed by the Pakistan Penal Code, which outlines the various offenses and their corresponding punishments. The Criminal Procedure Code outlines the procedures for the investigation, trial, and appeal of criminal cases. The Anti-Terrorism Act is another important law in Pakistan, which deals with terrorism-related offenses. Part 5, Civil law in Pakistan. Civil law in Pakistan covers a wide range of issues, including property law, family law, contract law, and tort law. The Civil Procedure Code outlines the procedures for filing and resolving civil disputes. Part 6, Human rights in Pakistan. Human rights are an important aspect of law in Pakistan, and the Constitution of Pakistan guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. The National Commission for Human Rights is responsible for monitoring and promoting human rights in Pakistan. Part 7, Corporate law in Pakistan. Corporate law in Pakistan covers the formation and governance of companies. The Companies Act governs the registration, management, and dissolution of companies in Pakistan. The Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan is responsible for regulating the capital markets in the country. Part 8, Intellectual property law in Pakistan. Intellectual property law in Pakistan covers trademarks, patents, copyrights, and industrial designs. The Intellectual Property Organization of Pakistan is responsible for registering and protecting intellectual property rights in the country. Part 9, International law in Pakistan. Pakistan is a signatory to several international treaties and conventions, and international law has a significant impact on the legal system in Pakistan. The Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations and the United Nations Convention Against Corruption are two examples of international treaties that Pakistan has ratified. Part 10, Conclusion. In conclusion, the scope of law in Pakistan is vast and covers a wide range of issues. The legal system in Pakistan is based on the British common law system, with Islamic law also having a significant influence. The judiciary in Pakistan is independent and has the power to interpret and enforce the law. Pakistan is a signatory to several international treaties and conventions, which have a significant impact on the legal system in the country. Thank you for watching this YouTube video on the scope of law in Pakistan. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.